Think in English. Stop translating. Intro. Why thinking in English matters. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we will learn something very important. How to think in English. Many learners translate from their language to English. This makes speaking slow. If you think in English, you speak faster and easier. Listen slowly. Practice with me. Part 1. The problem with translation. When you translate, your mind works in 3 steps. First, you think in your language. Second, you translate. Third, you speak English. This is slow. Sometimes translation is wrong. Native speakers do not translate. They think directly in English. You can do it too. Part 2. Change your mindset. Now, change how you think. Say slowly, I do not need perfect English. I need clear English. I think in English. I speak in English. Repeat again. English is not a subject. English is a skill. Skills grow with use. Part 3. Start with single words. Begin with easy words. Look around you. Chair, table, door, window, phone. Say the words in English. Do not translate. Just name the object. This is thinking in English. Part 4. Short English thoughts. Now make short thoughts. Listen and repeat. I am hungry. I am tired. I am happy. I need water. I want rest. These are thoughts, not sentences to translate. Think them directly in English. Part 5. Daily action thinking. Now, think about your actions. When you wake up, think, I am waking up. When you eat, think, I am eating. When you go out, think, I am going outside. Do not translate, just think. This builds fluency. Part 6. Speak without translating. Now, speak slowly. Say, I am learning English. I practice every day. I think in English. I speak without fear. Good. You are training your brain. Motivation and daily habit. Remember this. Thinking in English is a habit. Habits take time. 5 minutes a day is enough. Do not give up. Every day, your brain learns faster. Ending. Thank you for watching. This was Think in English, Stop Translating. Like this video. Share with learners. Subscribe for more English practice. Think in English. Speak naturally.